Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're brand new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Oh yeah, it's just started. Today, we're going to be doing drawing challenge. For this, we need a piece of paper. And I only do one picture because we don't want to take it too long, because next video, after this video, we're going to go a video outside. And we're going to do some video, aren't we, as well? So, for this, all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. So, we're going to show you how to make a puppet. So you're going to make a circle, Tyler, draw a circle, like this. Then, the circle, you're going to grab it and just go kind of like down. Now, you're going to draw some cute eyes. Oh, that. So here we go, here's my project. Comment down below who was me or Taylor. And we'll see you next time. Bye!